Hello friends, this is tutorial number 13 in this Scala Programming Language tutorials. Okay, in the previous tutorial we created this application. I didn't want to delete it. Just to remember, we have the simple application, which day is today, and using if control statements we created our application. But we can do also the same thing in another way. In this tutorial we will talk and we will also resolve this application using match case statement. It's also control statement, but it's match case. And now I will show you how it works. First, we have input variable, and we have a question, and we have variable day, which will need us for this application. I will not delete this, I will just comment it, and we will end our comment here. Now we have our question and we have variable day, and now we will use variable day and we will use match. This is match case statement, and of course it also needs a body, and we will use case. But I'm pretty much sure that you know it from that Scala is not your first programming language and that you already know this type of statements. But here in Java we had switch case. Here it will be easier. We have match case, which is better, and you will see. We have case 1, and we will type equals and greater. This is with equal greater, it is assigned to define what will happen if we type number 1. We will just use print a line. It is Monday. Pretty much simple. And we don't using break here. This is case 1. If we type 1, we will have this message, and that's all. We don't need to break it. We can have 10, 20 cases. When if case 1 is true, it's finished. It stops automatically. We don't. You remember from the Java when we needed for each case to use break. Here we don't need to do it. Just case 1 we have a response, and if we type number 1, we will get the response. It's Monday, and it's finished. Now let's create another case. Case number 2, we will print a line. It's Tuesday. Also we will have number 3. Print line. It is Wednesday. Case number 4. We'll print a line. It's Thursday. Just a moment. Case 5 will be Friday. And it is better for you also to type to get used of this match case statement, but I'm pretty much sure that you will like it more than switch case in Java, because you don't need to type break. It is Saturday for the case number 6, and we have case number 7, print line, and it will be it is Sunday. And of course we will have case default. It means if we type some of the numbers that is not defined, from 0 or negative number or number greater than 7, case default will be print line. You must enter the number from 1 to 7, and this is complete. Okay, you see how it looks. Match case statement. It's pretty much easy. Big difference from Java. Of course, in Java we had switch case, here is match case, but as you can see, we have just 8 possible 7 cases and 1 default, just 8 lines of code, but of course including we can 10 lines of code. It is pretty much easier to write, and of course the big advantage here, we don't need break. This is the most important. And how many times in Java you forgot to type break, and as a response now we have, for example, case number 3, and we enter number 3, and if we don't have a break, we'll get all the responses. It's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and so on. In Scala we don't using break in match case statement. Now we need to, let's Control Shift and F to indent the code, but it's perfect, and Control S to save. Now we will see if this match case statement works. Which day is today? Let's enter number 0, and we have a response. You must enter the number from 1 to 7. Okay, this is perfect. Let's type number 8. You must enter the number from 1 to 7. Okay, let's type number 1. It's Monday. If we type number 2, it's Tuesday. That, of course, you can see it works without the break. And number 5, Friday. We will type number 6, it's Saturday. And let's check number 7, it is Sunday, and this means that it works perfectly. Both ways are working. Of course, the point is, whatever you can resolve with if-else statement, you can also resolve using match case. And when we have more cases, of course it is better to use I like match case is perfect in that situations. Of course, if we have 2 or 3 cases, maybe it can be better to use if else. Of course, if you like more to use if else, you can. As you saw, it perfectly works with if else statement, but I think this is better because it is it has else if statement has more lines of code, and we can save some time using match case statement. It is better, and of course I type it for it is better for you to type in the beginning in the beginning to get used of this match case, but it's pretty much similar. It is similar with switch case, but it's better because of the break, and you can define one case in just in one line of code, which is big advantage. And we will use, of course, match case in the next tutorials to you get used on it, but I'm pretty much sure that you will like it more than switch case. I'm 100% sure about that. Okay, I really hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. You have a link in the description, and I will see you in the next tutorial.